What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're back on the Datsun because we're going to be doing more assembly. We figured out the shifting problem last time. We have a bigger issue now, and that's getting all of it. We all want to drive this car. Sam
We're all about
much bigger than, yeah. So me, Devin, and James are of similar heights, but Sam, as you've seen, is up there as far as height goes. So these brackets add about 1.5 inches to the height of the seats. And I don't actually think any of us are going to fit in here with a helmet on if we keep these. So
no, getting rid of those.
So we're going to take these out, and then we can see how we might be able to make something that accepts those sliders and keep the forward back option available, or if we could see about mounting it in a position where pretty much everybody who isn't a midget fits. Sam's arrived and he's crop dusted me. Solid. Adding to the misery. You put lock washers on the bottom and on the top, so there's no chance of there's no chance of there's no chance of me spinning this off with my hand.
Hey.
You already get that one? Okay. You should have just done this one too. Do I look much shorter than him?
Yeah.
Your head is at my shoulder, sir.
I'm 5'11", so he needs to fit. I'm not.
So we got it on the floor, all the way back. Oh, if I can fit in the seat. I will not be able to fit in with a helmet. Yeah, no. But your heads are, I don't even know if it's possible.
So we'll probably not be able to use sliders.
Yeah. Yeah, we can see what happens.
I could probably slouch.
Let me see if I could reach the pedals.
Yeah.
Can you floor? So we think that if we take off these brackets, hard mount this shit to the floor, everyone will be able to drive it.
God damn, that's on there.
So we expect James to slip right in.
I'm gonna slip right on in. Can you reach the pedals? The big question.
The gas pedal's already full.
That's like perfect seating position for you.
This is perfect for me.
All right, I want to do another Sam sit. Yeah, the seat fell way forward.
Definitely not in the right spot now.
No, it's not
Stick
gonna.
it to my ass.
Yeah, we'll bolt it. we'll bolt it down and then have you do another sit. Big boy test dose.
The seat that's actually attached.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
That's Gucci.
The only concern is whether or not you can actually see over the dash.
I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, because there's plenty of room for you.
Yeah.
A tiny bit close, but I'll live.
You could literally wear.
I could wear a helmet on my helmet.
Yeah, dude, Peyton Manning would fit in here.
Yeah, dude, with his ginormous forehead.
So I'm making fuel cell straps, and Sam informed me like halfway through that if I keep going the route that I'm going, this will crack. So I need to anneal. Is that the term?
Yeah, anneal it.
Anneal it. Basically, it does the opposite of steel, where if I heat it up and then put it in water, it'll soften up and it'll be easier, more malleable, and it won't crack. Anyways, this is what I'm doing with this. These are gonna bolt to my foundation in the back there. It's gonna bend over the top, and then it's gonna bolt down in there too. And they are the correct diameter. These fuel cells come with this little channel for strapping, so super easy to do. I don't know what else to say. That's one strapping boy.
Yep.
Strapping young man. Okay, so things are taking a little long with the projects because we're trying to do them right. So we're trying to add something to the channel that's going to spice it up a little bit. What do we got here?
My hoarder storage locker full of drift trike shit.
We're going to build a drift trike.
Yeah, we're gonna build a drift trike.
It's going to be tight.
それはできません。
right, these are James's drift trikes. There's more than one. There's like 4 of them. This one is the closest to running. It's gonna need a fuel tank, which this is gonna be super simple to fab up. And then we're gonna put this expansion pipe on it. It's a little 2-stroke, right?
Yeah, 100cc 2-stroke. It's a KT100 Yamaha.
This is just a fun side project to do while we do other things. We're kind of continuing, like, whatever we do in the shop, we're gonna film. So this is kind of like what we decided to do today. Have a little bit of fun. And I think you guys will like these. Apparently they're murderous.
This one tries to kill you.
So we're gonna build a drift trike and die. So Sam's gonna fab up the exhaust. That's what he does. And James and I have been tasked with getting the fuel tank to work.
Ready.
Basically, we're just gonna drill this bottom one into this bracket, and then we got this flat stock. It's gonna go up to these 2 holes. And then we got this vacuum line that's not rated for fuel, but we're trying to get this thing started today.
Yeah, we can just replace this with like some 3/16 fuel hose from O'Reilly's or something later.
For right now, it'll...
Yeah, but like once we get this and the exhaust on it and the fuel tank mounted, all we gotta do is go get some gas. We can fill it up and then it should move it under its own power again.
Go on. I'll handle this. No, you go.
So what's happening over here is the inner tube is fine. This is like stretched out so it's not beating. So
it's really a fucking old ass tire.
We wrapped it in zip ties. I let it chill like that. Whoa, whoa! Did that one just pop off on its own?
Yeah.
But it's beaded.
It is beaded.
Leave these 2 for now. And to let it like sit like that for a minute.
It's fucking hilarious.
We can ride it like this, dude.
Got air.
Sam's over here proving that the jet fuel couldn't have melted the Twin Towers. Now he's making an exhaust bracket. I'll put the tinfoil hat away. Firestone. Whatever you drive.
Crash a Firestone. At this point, I kind of want to get like a motorcycle fork for the front end of this fucking thing, so it has real brakes.
Get like an R6 fork.
Yeah, or like just like an old fucking like.
Yo, you can have our old Seika 650 front end.
Okay, let's do it. Let's put it on this.
You use this crazy like space gum to start it.
It's literally just a fucking gear reduction starter and a motorcycle battery.
You ready?
Oop.
That seems to have done it.
Yeah, ready? It's got dead lines and shit.
So much smoke, dude.
This thing's ridiculous.
I told you. My hand's already fucking hurt and I haven't even ridden it yet. Ready?
That shit is crazy terrifying. And the good thing is that there's 2 of them, so expect to see more drift trikes. We're gonna build another one, and then hopefully in the future we can, you know, do some like tandems or whatever. But anyways,
Super fun.
But anyways, Devin's gonna pick a winner for this video's giveaway. If you guys aren't familiar, we give away products from boostedshades.com every single video.
Okay, this video's winner is Cody Boyd.
All right, hit us up at Teamboosted at boostedshades.com or through any of our social media platforms. We'll get back to you and ship you something. If you guys want to win, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment. The comment could be anything. Sometimes we ask you guys questions at the end of the video to make it easier.
All right, this video's question is, those were super fucking terrifying to drive. We want to know what the most terrifying thing that you've ever driven, car or not, has been. So
No,
drop that
not
down
car.
below.
It's got to be something abstract.
Oh, it has to be something
Yeah.
abstract.
Yeah,
All right.
if you've never driven anything else, then I guess you don't get to participate in this question, but you can still comment whatever you want below. That's gonna do it for this one.
As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.